Hi everyone, Stephanie here. I have some laundry that I need to get some of the lint off, specifically my husband's sweater right here. And so I wanted to show you what I've been using. This is the Beauty fabric shaver, and it says it's for easy removal of lint and bobbles. The reason I love this, and it's unlike any other fabric shaver that I've seen before. So this is what it looks like. It is run with 2 AA batteries right in here. Now, the reason I like this so much, number one, it does have a clear cover. So when you're not using this, you can take the, put the cover on or off. So I like that. It's just a little bit of extra protection. But what makes this one truly unique is this spacer. So if you take a look at this spacer, you can see here, it has a little edge around the top. So it's really easy to put on as well. You've got these little notches here on both sides. You just kind of line them up and then you pop it on just like that. And then when you have this spacer on, you can twist it this way to be thinner or this way to be thicker. So just depending on the type of fabric that you have. And this just gives extra protection for those fabrics to make sure that they stay good and in good condition. So, and this is the little well that all of the lint falls down into. You're also gonna get one razor already comes inside of it. You're going to get a little thing that has 2 additional fabric razors. You're also going to get a little carrying bag and a little brush if you need to brush out some of the lint. So once you have your batteries installed, it's on the 0 position now, but you can go to 1 or 2. All right, so without further ado, let me show you my husband's sweater and we will get some of the lint off of it so it looks just like the day we got it.
So whenever you are starting a fabric, I always like to start in an inconspicuous area. So I've got my fabric shaver right here. I'm going to start it on number 1. I'm going to start it with the spacer on right here, and then I'm going to start down here at the bottom. And so here we go on number 1. Alright, so after you've done that, you can see in here I've got tons and lint in here. Let's just open this up really quick so you can see. That ended up giving me a lot of lint, but I think with the type of fabric this is, I think I will actually be able to put the spacer down so I can get a little bit of a closer shave on here. So let's start on 1 and then move our way up to 2. That did a good job as well. Let's get that lint out. So we've got a little bit of lint in there. So let's move into a bigger area.
So now I'm going to work on the arm area. This is an area that I feel like always gets the little lint balls. So let's start on 1. Look at all that in there. And all of that in there just with 1 pass over. Next, I want to move over to this hood. Do you see how all these little lint balls are right here? I haven't done this area yet, but I'm going to so I can show you a before and after. Look at all of that, and let's take a look here. Much, much cleaner, definitely. Yes, this works so good. I love the way that it easily gets all of this lint, just look at all that, off of these sweaters. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. Great way to have your clothes looking like they just came home with you, despite having all the lint and everything in all the different places. It will easily maintain your clothes and other things in your house for a really long time with this great little fabric shaver. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.